How to create subtasks templates in ClickUp.
Hello guys and welcome back. We're back with another tutorial.
So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating subtasks templates in ClickUp.
So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to select the list of which you wish to create the subtask. So come over here in your spaces and select the space which contains the list. So just click on this arrow over here and you'll be able to see all the lists that this space consists. So just click on the specific list. For example, if I click on this list, it's just an example list. So then select the task of which you wish to create the subtask. So you can either create a new task from here, or you can even click over here in order to create a new task, only if you wish to create a subtask for a new task. So just select the task of which you wish to create the subtask. And over here at the right side of the respective selected task, you'll be able to see a plus icon, like with every task. So just select the task of which you wish to create a subtask and just click on this add subtask icon over here and type down the name of the subtask. For example, if I write part 1, and then over here you'll be able to see save. And now you can see that the subtask has been saved. So you can just click on the backlog over here and select the progress, like whether it is planning, or you can even select that this is in progress. So just click on in progress over here, or you can even select ready for review, or you can even select, approved or rejected and done, or any of these. So this just depends upon the progress of the subtask, and you can just select, or you can even keep on changing it just like the regular tasks.
So once you have created the subtask, select the subtask and go all the way to the right of the subtask, and here you'll be able to see these 3 dots. So just click on it and you'll be able to see multiple options. So search for this templates one, click on it and click on save as template. Now here you need to write down the name of the template. You can give it any name. You can even add descriptions or tags for better understanding. So let me give just a single name, like example template of subtask. Okay. Now here you can share it with anyone you want. You can even allow public sharing, and you can either import everything, or you can even exclude some things that you don't want in the template to be. You can either update an existing template, and after that just click on save template. And now you can see that your template of subtask has been created. So that is basically how you can create a template of subtask in ClickUp. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials in future. See you in the next one.